Here's the reality. The quality of your research depends on the quality of your sources. Whether you are writing a thesis, conducting a systematic review, or completing an assignment, finding relevant literature is the foundation. Let's dive into the practical steps to nail your literature search. The first step is to define your research question clearly and concisely. A well-defined research question narrows your focus and guides your search. For example, instead of searching broadly for infertility in women, you could ask, what are the most common risk factors associated with infertility in women of reproductive age in Ghana? This makes your research more precise and concise. Step 2, choose the right databases for your search. Next, select the right tools for your search. While Google Scholar is great for general research, specialized databases like PubMed, Scopus, or JSTOR are perfect for academic and peer-reviewed literature sources. If you are in a field like health sciences, PubMed is your perfect friend. Social sciences, try JSTOR or PsycInfo. And if you are looking for free resources, ResearchGate is a fantastic option. Step 3, use keywords and Boolean operators. The secret to finding exactly what you need are in keywords and Boolean operators when they are used adequately. Start by identifying key terms from your research question. For example, from the question, what are the risk factors for infertility in women? The keywords would be infertility, risk factors, and women. Now combine these terms using Boolean operators. Use capital A and D and to narrow results. For example, infertility and risk factors and women. Use or, capital OR, to expand. For example, infertility or subfertility. Use not to exclude. For example, infertility, not male. Here is a pro tip. You could also use quotation marks to search for exact phrases like, quote, reproductive age. This saves time and gives you more precise results. Step 4, filter and evaluate your results. Once you have searched your results, it's time to filter them for the best. Most databases let you narrow down by publication date, relevances, or type of source. Stick to recent studies, ideally within the last 5 years, unless your topic requires historical context. Then evaluate the quality. Is it peer-reviewed? Is it utter credible? Does it align with your research question?